Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nopal Sterlahi from VBI Class D. Today I want to read looking at the link between parents' education background and student English achievement. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of a society are, the more civilized and well-disciplined the society might be. Education is also a primary need. In this era of globalization, Haryanto, Minin, Marboyono, Muazza, and Arkatika 2016. Mukminim Royati Putra Habibi and Aina 2017. Education gives insight, grounds the personality in culture, moral value, adds knowledge, and provide skill for people who will live in a very competitive society. In every field, highly qualified people are needed. Mukminin Haryanto, Makmur, Sofa, Fajar Yani, Tabran, and Suryadi 2018, 2013. In Indonesia, including Mukminin Lestari, Afifa Ramadhani, and Hendra 2017. And including curriculum, budget, quality purpose of the education, national examination, and learning facility. These kinds of problems have influenced the quality of education both in national and international levels. For example, at the Science 1995. Indonesia has taken part consistently in every round of trends in international mathematics and science study (RTIMSS). The results have not been satisfactory. Lucis 2017. Of the 38 countries participating in 1999, Indonesia ranked the 34th and the 32nd in the math sessions, respectively. In 2003, performance in math increased to 411, while the science scores slipped to 420. The reverse occurred in 27. With math performance decreased to 3097 and session improved to 427. Score in both math and science fell in 2011 to 386 and 406, respectively. In 2015, math performance increased to 397, while science performance decreased to 392nd. The result of Indonesia participant TTMSS have implied that the quality of education should become the responsibility of all parties, including government, school, and family. Family is one of the important factors in supporting the education of the children. As a unit of society, the family is absolutely a major socializing engine. So that is important in determining the child motivation to achieve success. Mualo 2010. Mainly, family has a responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more parents are involved in the process imparting education to their children. Parents' personal education background and income background have a significant effect on their children's education. It means that parents' education background plays an important part in the children's education. The education received by background plays an important part in the children education. The education received by children depends very much on the education their parents have. However, learning English is not an easy process. There are some problems are difficult in learning English in their study abroad. Mukminin, Habibi, Ashrafi, Makmur, and Mazulina. 2018. And Mukminin, Muazzah, Hustarna, and Sari. 2015. Found that the problem is learning English, such as teachers' competence, student lack of English foundation background, student lack of confidence, innovative curriculum, humanized, encourage and gained learning strategy. But practice speaking English with English native speaker and class environment, some researchers have probably explored parent education background and student English achievement. For example, Afriana 2015 found that parent education background was significantly correlated and student English achievement to the correlation was weak also. Kemergit 2010 found there was a strong correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Schnabel, Alfeld, Echel, Nile, and Baumer 2002 found that a significant positive correlation existed between parent education and student achievement. It can be concluded that the results of those studies are still inconsistent. Additionally, RIP 2017 found that there was no significant relation between parent occupation and educational background and student achievement. Learning English, the findings of the previous studies on the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement are still mixed. The current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Two research questions guided this study. 1. Is there any link between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang, Sumatra, Indonesia? And 2. Does parent education background influence student English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang? Literature review. Parent educational background refers to parent higher education. That means the highest level of education attained by parents at international standard classification of education, or ISGED, from UNESCO 2011 has graded 9 levels of education. There are early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education for secondary, non-tertiary education, short cycle, tertiary education, bachelor's of equivalent level, master or equivalent level, doctoral or equivalent level. Parents with higher levels of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their ability to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. Selvin 2013 also adds the relationship of parents' education to their children's achievement. Motivation in academic area in mediated by parents' beliefs and behavior are likely to be influenced by their education experienced by. And this of student achievement algorithm and this does see 2001 state the achievement is the complete a person or relationship to the domain of knowledge. Additionally, Sukmadinata 2007 stated that achievement of students could be seen from measuring the subject of the English achievement has a strong relationship with the academic achievement. English achievement means the competency that is achieved by the student in English subject. Being well educated parents give benefit for the children in first 2009. Methodology, research design and participant. In this study, we use a correlational approach to find out the link between parent educational background and student English achievement. The first procedure was were identified the parents' educational background by using educational background questionnaire, and the second procedure was we gave the student test of tuple. The next step was he analyzed the link between the two variables through space with result of the educational background question and tuples. Data collection and analysis. In this study, student of senior high school Palembang. In terms of correlation and regression, it was necessary to know whether the data were normal for each variable and between two variables in this study's normality test. We used to find on whether the data of educational background question and tuple junior tests were normal or not. We use a sample question and tuple junior tests were in linear or not. If the score has higher than findings and discussion, parents' educational background and student English achievement. 106 students participated in this study. The descriptive statistical analysis of parents' educational background for the participant indicated that the maximum score was 8 and the lowest score was the mean score of parents' educational background for the participant was 5 seconds, and the standard deviation was 1,588. This mean score indicated that the level of parents' educational background of the participant is short cycle tertiary education D1 or D3. It was revealed that from the questionnaire, the 9 levels of parents' educational background were all perceived by the student with different numbers. Primary educational or SD was the least perceived level, and bachelor's of equivalent level was as the most perceived for both father and mother educational background categories. The descriptive statistical analysis of English achievement for the participant indicated that the maximum score was 79, and the minimum score was the 10. The mean score of English achievement for the participant was 47 2, and the standard deviation was 77,039. This means score indicates that the level of student English achievement of participant is very poor. For each category, 3 students had a good English achievement, 19 students obtain an average English achievement. 5 students had a 4 English achievements. 71 students had every 4 English achievement. The result of normality test and Linkary test. The that were inverted as a normal one if V 005 means the that were not normal. Kolmogorov Smirnov was used to see the normality. The result of normality test indicated that from each variable were in all normal and appropriate or data analysis with Caucasian. 290 for parents educational background and 605 for English achievement. For linearity test, definition of linearity was obtained if probability is not done. And 5, the two variables are linear. The result showed that the deviation from linearity between parents educational background and student English achievement was 769. Correlation between parent educational background and student English achievement. Based on the version product moment correlation coefficient, the result indicated that the pattern of correlation between parents' educational background and the student English achievement was positive. The correlation coefficient or reobtained was bigger than a table. Influence of parents' educational background and student English achievement. The result indicated that parents' educational background influenced student English achievement significantly. Value was 763 was higher than with sick value was a later probability to for also significant influence between parents' educational background towards student English achievement. The data are following. Furthermore, the more educated the parents are, the more they are able to pass along the education and help their children excel in school. Parents with little or no education may find it very to understand to help their children in the area education. For example, Selbum to 2013. The parents with a higher level education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have great success in the providing their children with cognitive and language. Conclusion. The current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at the one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result of the present study, we found that achievement with category correlation was where ideally their linear regression analysis of the parent educational background, similarity, English achievement such as school teacher and friends achievement. Okay, the last. Thank you for your good attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.